Dear friends, welcome again to Atlas eForex. Today, July 8th, 2010 at 13:45 GMT, we present you our analysis online. We present you the US dollar index futures. The US dollar index futures are futures based on the underlying instrument of the US dollar index, which is an index composed by various currencies against the US dollar, indicating the value of the dollar in general. We have in front of us a monthly chart of the US dollar index futures, and we can see the evolution of this index since 2002. In order to understand the way this index works, we will compare it with the Euro USD parity, so we can understand the relation. This is the Euro USD on the monthly chart. This is the highest. This is January, February 2002, when the index, the US dollar index, was on the high, and at the same time the Euro USD was on the 0.8617, below the parity. Vice versa, when the index came to its lowest, which is around February 2008. February 2008, we had more or less the Euro USD parity at 153. It's interesting to notice that this is February 2008, when it's the lowest of the index, and the same period, February 2008, is not yet the top of the Euro USD parity, which it is on the July of 2008, as a matter of fact, at 160 and more. Anyway, in this way we can understand what is the relation between the index and the parity of the dollar, in this case with the euro. Now let's return to our monthly chart and let's try to estimate how this evolution came. We will apply a Fibonacci scale. We will apply a Fibonacci scale from this area here all the way down there. Right. So what happened is, from level 112.23, level 1, 112.23, level 0, 121.90. The 425 level of the Fibonacci scale is actually where this drop ends. Now we should calculate this one, where that one was coming, and we apply another Fibonacci. We apply the Fibonacci from here, there. So what we get? We get that from this level 1, level 0, we get a 1982 at 70.49, where the index turned and reacted to the drop which started during 2001, 2002. Okay, what else? We can add a trend line. We can add a trend line this way, and we can see that with this falling trend line, we mark 3 of the tops the index marked. Now if I create a channel and I go down here, so I will find out what will be the downtrend channel, in case it is confirmed, of course. Otherwise, I may say that I have an ascending channel, which is this way here, and here. Very good. So these are the two directions. Could go down or up anyway. So on monthly basis. Now let's see the same. Well, let's see it first on weekly. Let's see it first on weekly. Okay, on weekly you see the three tops, the three tops, and then return. That was on the base of the base starting from here. This is the level 1, this is the level 0 of the Fibonacci, 2618, 89.7. 3 actually went again, came down to 1, the base, returned, double top, came down to 0.38, correct, returned to 2618, now broke the 1982, is expected to come to 1392, where we see at this point the two mediums, the two SMA, the two moving averages eventually crossing. Now if that was on a weekly chart, now if I go on a daily chart and I see the 2618, the third time that went up, actually, a matter of fact, this is the one indicated here, I can see that yesterday, after the yesterday session in the States anyway, the price, the 8403, just came to rest on the lower part of the blue channel, ascending channel indicated. Now what may happen next? Breaking here, we can come to the 200 moving average at 80.27 at this moment, and then at this point believe that euro and the other currencies will get stronger against the dollar, because that eventually will weaken the dollar further. Otherwise, if this channel stands here and this trend line is respected and we turn up, it means that the other currencies will get weaker against the dollar. Now, what actually will happen? Well, you understand, a significant drop of the index, the dollar index, from 2618 Fibonacci, sometimes we can find it down to 1618 most of the times, and then sometimes between 0.78 and 1618. If that happens, that's a long drop, which means a long ascending movement, uptrend for the other currencies against the dollar. Thank you very much. We'll be seeing you. Goodbye now.